Hello everyone, welcome to Dona's vlog. And for today's video, we are going to tackle about Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel tutorial. Introduction to Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a graphical word processing program that users can type with. It is made by the computer company Microsoft. The purpose of the Microsoft Word is to allow the users to type and save documents. And by the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the parts of the Word XP window, change the document view, operate the drop-down menus, and identify the task pane. First, what is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a word processing program used to create, format, save, and print letters, reports, newsletter, manuscript, signs, certificates, and other documents. Microsoft Word for Windows. Word processing software that enables the user to create, edit, format, and print documents. It also enables the users to integrate graphic images and charts to documents and reports. Its various tools allows users to check the spelling, look for another meanings, and automate documents elements as well. So here are the basics of the Word window. First is the title bar. This displays the document name followed by a program name. The menu bar. This contains a list of options to manage and customize documents. Another is standard toolbar. This contains shortcut buttons for the most popular commands. Formatting toolbar. This contains buttons used for formatting. The roller. This is used to set margins, indents, and tabs. So look at the picture. Where are the title bar, menu bar, standard toolbar, formatting toolbar, roller? You can see where it is located. And another is the insertion point. This is the location where the next character appears. Another is the end of document marker. This indicates the end of the document. Help. This provides quick access to help topics. Scroll bars. These are used to view parts of the document. Status bar. This displays the position of the insertion point and working mode buttons. Another is task pane. This provides easy access to commonly used menus, buttons, and tools. Another is view buttons. This changes the layout view of the document to normal, web layout, print layout, and outline view. Another is Office Assistant. This links to the Microsoft Office Help feature. Next is change in view. Normal view is best used for typing, editing, formatting, and proofreading. It is provide a maximum amount of space without rollers or page numbers cluttering your view. Web layout view. Choose what your text will look like on a web page. Print layout view. Choose what your document will look like when it is printed. Under print layout view, you can see all elements of the page. Print preview shows you this as well. The outline view is used to create and edit outlines. Outline view only shows the headings in a document. This view is particularly handy when making notes. Full screen. View displays only the document you are working on. All other pieces of the Word window are removed except for one button that allows you to close the view screen. Next is changing your document view. Click View on the menu bar. Select the view of your choice. You can see pictures indicated beside. Or click one of the 4 buttons at the bottom left of your Word window. Or View full screen is not available in this location. Drop-down menus. Each Office XP program features a menu bar. The menu bar is made up of different menus. Each menu contains commands that enable you to work within the program. If you have used a previous version of Microsoft Word, you may notice that the menu bar in Word XP operates slightly differently than before. Word XP uses drop-down menus that initially display commands users most often need. Another is operating the new drop-down menus. To open a menu, click a menu name or the menu bar. View the commands listed under the drop-down menu. With the menu open, drag the mouse pointer to a command and click it to select the command. Or as you drag your mouse pointer over the commands, each command is highlighted in the light blue. Using the task pane. The task pane is new in Word XP. When opened, the task pane will appear on the right side of the Word window. The task pane provides easy access to commonly used menus, buttons, and tools. By default, the task pane will appear when Word XP is first launched. To open the task pane, click View in the menu bar, then select Task pane. Another is identifying basic parts of the Excel window. Introduction. Microsoft Excel XP is a spreadsheet application in the Microsoft Office suite. A spreadsheet is an accounting program for the computer. Spreadsheets are primarily used to work with numbers and text. Spreadsheets can help organize information, such as alphabetizing a list of names or ordering records, and calculate and analyze information using mathematical formulas. Okay, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the parts of the Excel window, and understand the differences between a workbook and a worksheet, understand a cell and its importance to Excel, and then move around a workbook. Okay, let's moving forward. The Excel window. Many items you see on the Excel XP screen are standard in most other Microsoft software programs like Word, PowerPoint, and previous versions of Excel, while some elements are specific to Excel XP. Workbook, also called a spreadsheet. The workbook is a unique file created by the Excel XP. The title bar. The title bar displays both the name of the application and the name of the spreadsheet. The menu bar. The menu bar displays all of the menus available for use in Excel. The contents of any menu can be displayed by left-clicking the menu name. Next is the toolbar. Some commands in the menus have pictures or icons associated with them. These pictures may also appear as shortcuts in the toolbar. Looks like this, the picture. Another is column headings. Each Excel spreadsheet contains 256 columns. Each column is named by a letter or combination of letters like this example, E, B, C, D, E, F, and so forth. The row headings. Each spreadsheet contains 65,536 rows. Each row is named by a number. Another is name box. This shows the address of the current selection or active cell. Another is formula bar. The formula bar is displays information entered or being entered as you type. In the current or active cell, the contents of a cell can also be edited in the formula bar. Cell. A cell is an intersection of a column and row. Each cell has a unique cell address. In the picture above, the cell address of the selected cell is B3. The heavy border around the selected cell is called the cell pointer. You may see the picture's example. Next is navigation buttons and sheet tabs. Navigation buttons allow you to move to another worksheet in an Excel workbook. They are used to display the first, previous, next, and last worksheets in the workbook. Sheet tabs separate a workbook into specific worksheets. A workbook defaults to 3 worksheets. A workbook must contain at least 1 worksheet. Workbooks and worksheets. What is a workbook? A workbook automatically shows in the workspace. When you open Microsoft Excel, each workbook contains 3 worksheets. The worksheets 1, 2, and 3. A worksheet is a grid of cells consisting of 65,536 rows by 256 columns. Spreadsheet information, text, numbers, or mathematical formulas is entered into different cells. Column headings are referenced by alphabetic characters in the gray boxes that run across the Excel screen, beginning with column A and ending with column 4. Rows are referenced by numbers that appear on the left and then run down the Excel screen. The first row is named row 1, while the last row is named 65,536. So, here are the important terms. A workbook is made up of 3 worksheets. The worksheets are labeled Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. Each Excel worksheet is made up of columns and rows. In order to access a worksheet, click the tab that says Sheet Number. The cell. An Excel worksheet is made up of columns and rows. Where these columns and rows intersect, they form little boxes called cells. The active cell, or the cell that can be acted upon, reveals a dark border. All other cells reveal a light gray border. Each cell has a name. Its name is comprised of 2 parts, the column letter and the row number. Important terms. Each cell has a unique cell address composed of a cell's column and row. The active cell is the cell that receives the data or command you give it. A darkened border called the cell pointer identifies it. So another is moving around the worksheet. You can move around the spreadsheet in several ways. To move the cell pointer, to activate any cell, point to a cell with the mouse and click. To move the pointer one cell to the left, right, up, or down, use the keyboard arrow keys. Another is to scroll through the worksheet. A vertical scroll bar located along the right edge of the screen is used to move up or down the spreadsheet. The horizontal scroll bar, located at the bottom of the screen, is used to move left or right across the spreadsheet. The page up and page down keys on the keyboard are used to move the cursor up or down, one screen at a time. Other keys that move the active cell are Home, which moves to the first column on the current row, and Control plus Home, which moves the cursor to the top left corner of the spreadsheet or cell A1. Next is to move between worksheets. As mentioned, each workbook defaults to 3 worksheets. These worksheets are represented by tabs named Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3 that appear at the bottom of the Excel window. To move from one worksheet to another, click the Sheet tab, Sheet 1, Sheet 2, or Sheet 3 you want to display. So that would be all, and thank you for watching and listening. God bless.